Hey guys, what's up? Today we're playing Blackhole Simulator, and I've done a little bit of progress, and all you need to do is suck. It's like any other simulator. You suck bricks and then you just sell. You guys that? And I'm trying to get pets, so that's why I'm trying to do this. Right now I have the red aura black hole. We might want to get more pets. Something real insane happened to me. I had not much pets and I already have a legendary. Let me tell you, I got it first try on the 1000 gem egg. My brain is blown. My mind is blown. But it's still a bit laggy. I guess I'll just wait until I get enough gems. I really don't want to hop off because if I hop off, this is not a permanent thing. You have to stay here. I don't know if I think it just gives you gem faster. I think. So I might be aiming for 3,000, and then I can get Actually, I might want to aim for 3,500 so I can get Actually, I'm just gonna aim for 4,000. If that's possible. It will take me lots of time. So this is just, I guess I'm just gonna leave you guys to do this. So my mic here, I'm gonna just lower it down. So you guys can just see the whole process and I might move, so bye. Okay, the reason I left you guys hanging is I don't really want to grind for 4,000 gems. It would just take half a century. You guys can just watch this montage while I watch YouTube. Okay, no more. Hey, yo, this green dude is here. I think I have a better black hole than him. Because, I don't see a green black hole nowhere. And I'm pretty sure my next one is cheese. And first of all, I did not see an exclamation mark. Which means that it's danger and he can suck me. And I can literally suck him from here. I can literally just suck it here. But I can't suck him from here. I'm too far. Dude, just give me enough gems. I've been grinding for 10 hours. Just give me more. 23 gems. Just a few more gems, and then we finally can buy 2 eggs. Oh, I mean, we could just go AFK and then just put our black hole here. Should we do that? Nah, this is for a video, so I'm just gonna suck this dude up. Suck it up, buttercup. Okay, so we're gonna buy 2 eggs and we're just gonna end the video there because I'm absolutely lazy. Let's go. And I'm gonna sell my black hole. My black hole's full. And ooh, 21,000. Okay, let's see what we can buy. More energy. Buy all. Now we just need the sand. What black hole is the next black hole? The next black hole is a beat. 77,000. Jesus Christ. Good thing I have a multiplier with these, so I'm just gonna go buy 2 eggs and we're gonna end the video there. Or we could possibly buy these. But aren't they the same? buy this one since I'm too lazy anyways, and let's see what we get. I just spent 1,500 gems on the. Come on! I did not even get anything good. We just got a moon meteorite. I'm so mad right now. Why did we get barely anything? Dude, at least a legendary. Because I got a legendary on this tier. Just give me a legendary. Why is this one harder to get a legendary? Like, I don't understand. Is it like more rare or something? Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here because I'm too lazy to. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys how to get black hole. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show up you guys on how big my black hole can get. I think this dude has like, I don't know, like 12,000, something like that. Black wholeness. Hey yo, he just sucked me up! Dude, I hate. Oh, come on. Okay, that's it. I'm not going easy. I'm really mad for some reason. Okay, let's just suck it all up. No, just give me this. There you go. More of that. More of this. Dude, you guys want to know how much it costs to go to the Atlantis? I think it costs like 1 million. Yep. Why does it cost 1 million? It takes like 10 years just to get me like 2,000 coins. Oh gosh, I'm just gonna take half a century trying to get to the next area. I know people probably like waste Robux just so they can get like to either the next area or like something like that. Have you guys just wasted all your Robux on like one game and then just be like, okay, I'm gonna leave the game, and then all your data is just gone? That'd probably suck. Because first of all, if your data is just poof, then your life is probably be like your brain is just dead. Your brain thinks like, what have I done with my Robux? Either the game needs a save or you just messed up. I don't know at this point. I'm gonna have a big black hole than a white one. First of all, my black hole, I think my black hole is better than him because mine is like, I think. Oh, dude, should I pick on the noob or should I not? I'm not gonna pick on him. I'm nice. I've been a bacon, so I'm not gonna pick on him. But I'm gonna take his point. So I need gems. I need gems right now. Look, I'm a nice guy. I don't like to be mean, but like I like to get more resources so I can advance and probably give some points to noob. People just probably just buy like, oh, just buy this and buy everything. And just buy perks, buy gems, buy coins. That's what we call a Robux spender, and there's people like me, freebies. We just absolutely buy nothing at all. You guys are like, how did you get the staff? How did you get all my? I just got it, and then I just go to a game. I forgot the name, and then I just redeemed the code, and then it just gave me this. Yeah, it costs like 25 Robux, something like that. It just costs like a couple of Robux. Anyways, I'm gonna need to go here. I'm gonna go. If I fall, I will have to play collecting. Oh God, please don't fall. Right to the top to make. Oops, there you go. Oh, I'm gonna suck this dude up. Dude, this is karma right here. Karma, karma, karma. Boom! Just suck him up. Now he's doomed. Okay, now we just gotta suck up this truck. Dude, just suck it. Suck it up! Okay, there you go. Ooh, one car. We're just sucking so much stuff up. And you guys are gonna see the fascination of me selling my stuff. All my bricks. And I think my pets, should I say, my planets have multipliers. So I'm gonna sell and I get 44,000. I think we can afford the next black hole. How much is it again? I'm so dead. Okay, 5,000. I'm doing the calculation in my head, and yet I don't understand. I'm gonna pick, dude. I'm gonna suck you. I'm gonna suck, keep sucking the whole world. Let's just keep doing this, Oh wait, what the heck? Okay. This is my flag now. Mwahaha. No, just keep collecting. No, just keep collecting. Oh my! I'm technically out, but I'm technically not out. Now we just need 70,000 coins, and we have literally coins on the map. Okay, I think we just need like a couple thousand, so I think I'm just gonna get some extra coins, some extra bricks, so, cause why not? So I'm gonna sell now. I think we have 8,000. Hey, yo, sell. This is how you glitch the whole game. Boom, 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 boom. Just keep teleporting. Black hole. I'm gonna buy this black hole. Green fire is next. Wait, how do you get like the poison one? Did he have the green fire? I don't know. Possibly. But anyways, we are done with the video. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Just see the sucking. Oh, that's so much. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.